Hi YouTubers, and welcome again. Today I'll show you how to install UTM on your iPhone or iPad without Altstore or Appcake. It's pretty easy. It works on Windows, and you can use UTM to install virtual machines on your iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you will open this website. It is in the description. Next, download the UTM IPA file from the assets. Okay, next you have to open this website. It is also in the description, and download sideloadly. Okay, it works on Windows, and for that to work you need iTunes installed, a 64-bit version or a 32-bit version depending on your computer. So I have already downloaded sideloadly and installed it. So now let's begin. Guys, the side load is up and I have connected my iPhone. So as you can see, it is not jailbroken. And let's begin. First of all, click this icon and just point towards the file that we have downloaded, that is utm.ipa. Click open. Now here enter your Apple ID. I have used this app earlier, so my Apple ID is typed already. So now just click start, and then it will ask you for your password. I have used this app earlier, so my password is saved in it. So you can see that it is signing it now. So guys, the file is being uploaded. You can see extracting the package. This file is big, so this will take some time. Please be patient. Okay guys, you guys can see it says done, and the UTM is on my screen. If I open, it will show untrusted developer. Just cancel it out. Open settings, go to general, scroll down, and you will see profiles and device management. Just trust your Apple ID. Okay, now go back and open the app. Alright, so the app is working perfectly. You can add your virtual machines and run different operating systems like Linux, Windows. So if you want to see the full tutorial on how to set it up, please see the description. So guys, if you still want to ask me anything, please comment, and thanks a lot for watching this video until the end.